Hey guys, it's Maria from the Belleville Learning Academy. Today I will be showing you how to solve a one-step equation, this time using the reciprocal. Let's get started. To start off, let's look at these two one-step equations. In our previous video, solving a one-step equation, we know that in order to solve 3x equals 6, we must divide both sides by 3. The equation on the left, however, has a coefficient of 1/4. Since this is a fraction, we have to solve this equation by using multiplication and the coefficient's reciprocal. So, what is a reciprocal? A reciprocal is basically the flipped version of a number. What I mean by this is that the numerator and the denominator switch places. Also, when you multiply a number by its reciprocal, the answer is 1. So if you had the number 3/2, the reciprocal would be 2/3. Because remember, a reciprocal is when you flip the numerator and the denominator. If you were to multiply 3/2 times 2/3, the answer would then be 1. If you had the number -3, since this is a whole number, the denominator would be 1. So then the reciprocal of -3/1 would be -1/3. And once more, if you multiply -3/1 times -1/3, the answer then would be 1. Now that we know what a reciprocal is and what it does, we can apply this information into solving our equation 1/4 x equals 4. Once more, we have to solve this equation by isolating the x with the inverse operation. In order to do this, we have to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 1/4. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1. Now that we have our equation set up, we can fully solve for x. The 4 and 1/4 on the left side cancel out, and 4 times 4 equals 16. Our final answer is x equals 16. In order to check whether this answer is correct, we must plug in x equals 16 into the original equation. So, 1/4 times 16 is 16/4, which simplifies to 4. This is a true statement, meaning our answer is correct. Now let's look at another example. Here we have -2/3x equals 6. Once again, we have to isolate the x by using the inverse operation on the coefficient. Just like in the previous example, we do this by multiplying both sides by the reciprocal of -2/3. The reciprocal of -2/3 is -3/2. -3/2 times -2/3 cancel out, and we are left to solve -3/2 times 6. Here we can just crisscross reduce, and our answer should be x is equal to -9. Remember, these two numbers have different signs, so the answer is negative. In order to check this answer, once more we plug in x equals -9 into the original equation and check to see whether it is a true statement. -2/3 times -9 equals 18/3. Also, remember that since these two numbers have the same sign, the answer is positive. 18/3 simplified is 6. This is a true statement, meaning our answer is correct. Now let's do a recap on what we learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we learned how to solve another one-step equation by using the reciprocal. We also learned in order to find a number's reciprocal, we must switch the numerator and denominator. And if you were to multiply a number by its reciprocal, the answer is 1. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!